Stop right there. You want to control your home PC or your entire network from literally anywhere in the world? Let me show you how to do it securely.
First, let's log into your router. Enter your admin username and password. Once logged in, look at the left-hand menu and find the VPN option. Choose OpenVPN and toggle Enable Server On. Click Apply to save your settings. Then click Export Configuration File to download the .ovpn file. This file contains all the settings your remote device will need to securely connect to your home network. Next, on your remote computer or laptop, go to openvpn.net/client and download OpenVPN Connect. This is the official OpenVPN client that will read your .ovpn file and make the secure connection. Install the software following the prompts. It's quick and straightforward. Once installed, open OpenVPN Connect and import the client.ovpn file you exported from your router. When prompted, sign in with the username and password you set up, either your admin credentials or the separate VPN user. Then click Connect. Once it connects, your device is now virtually on your home network. Before we connect via remote desktop, make sure the PC you want to access has remote desktop enabled. On a Windows 11 PC, open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop, and toggle it on. Next, we need the internal IP address of the PC you want to control. Open Command Prompt and type ipconfig. Then look for the IPv4 address. Write this down. This is the address you'll use to tell Remote Desktop which computer to connect to. Now, open Remote Desktop Connection on your remote device. Enter the IPv4 address you just saved and log in using the username and password for that computer. And just like that, you're controlling your home PC from anywhere in the world. You can repeat this process for any device on your home network. Just use that device's IP address. If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.